We now bring you a final report from Paul McAdam, who tells us that national swimmer Andrew Fowler departs Sunday for Australia, where he will be participating in the 21st Commonwealth Games.
Specializing in the 50 meters and 100-meter freestyle, Andrew Fowler may just be the fastest swimmer in the country. The 22-year-old young man feels fit and is looking forward to participating in the upcoming Commonwealth Games.
Well, my training has been ups and downs, normal. And my times, I hope to do better in my times. Hope to drop off a few seconds, maybe swim the Olympic qualifying times, and maybe just semi-finals or the finals at these games. You have some big countries here like Canada, Great Britain and Australia. Usually they have tough competitors, and I hope to be better.
Fowler's coach, Sean Bash, acknowledges that it might be tough to medal at the Games. He's nonetheless optimistic that Andrew will significantly improve on his times. This could see him qualifying for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics.
So far he's been training really hard and we're doing well in the pool. We got a little bit more work to do before we actually get there, and we're getting in there early. So we'll try to acclimatize and push a little bit more. I want him to drop about a second and a half on his best time. So that's what I'm working on in the 50 free. We are working towards qualifying for the Olympics, and that is the goal at this point in time. We are going up against the best in the world. 72 countries are going to be out there. It's going to be really difficult, but we will do well in terms of improving on our performances.
A total of 24 athletes competing in 7 disciplines will represent Guyana at Gold City, Australia in this year's Commonwealth Games. They will compete in badminton, boxing, rifle shooting, squash, swimming, table tennis, and various track and field athletics. Paul McAdam for InfoHub.